All right, so it's been a solid day in the shop, and I got the Crown Vic mostly parted out. I got the engine out here, transmission out there. I have a guy who's wanting to get the transmission before Wednesday, so I had to boogie and get it out. And that's one of the things about parting out a car. Whenever you start parting out a car, people really want their stuff quick, and so you've got to be on it. And it's been hot. Yesterday was 100 degrees, and I was out here working. Today, blessedly, it's been like 85. But how do you motivate yourself to get out and work when it's this hot? Well, the first thing is, you just got to, at some point, you got to say, I got to do it. And if you put yourself in that position where people are wanting these parts now, then you've got to, if you're going to be an honorable person, you've got to get out here and work on it. And that drives you. At the same time, you've got to protect yourself. If it's hot out here and you start feeling dizzy, go in and cool off. So I did a lot of that yesterday. I would work for half an hour, then cool off for half an hour, and work for half an hour, cool off. Today I just came out and hammered it. Engine came out pretty easy. I've had this engine out of this car before, so I kind of knew what I was doing. I had everything disconnected. It all went well. The transmission I've never had out. That was a bit of a pain. Finally figured out what I was doing, what I was screwing up, and got it out. So not too much longer, I'll have this thing ready to roll out of here. But I bring a drink out here to the shop with me, iced tea usually, with a lot of ice in it, and that helps keep me cool a little bit. It takes a lot of the stress out of coming out in the heat away if I know that I've got a cool drink to sip on. And of course, an hour into wrenching, the drink's warmed up and hot, but I'm hot too, and so by that point, and that's the main thing, is getting over the hump. If it's hot out here and you're comfortable inside, you don't want to come out. Once you get out here and start wrenching, you'll find the time goes quicker. You'll get hot, but you'll be more in tune with it. And you've got to just accept you're going to be sweaty. I've been overseas to the Middle East and working with a full uniform on, and you just get hot and sweaty and you deal with it. And at the end of the day, you get to go take your shower and get over it. And that's what I'm looking forward to, is after I'm done here today, even though it's cooler today, I'm still just drenched in sweat, and I'm going to go in and take a nice cool shower. But so long as I'm hot, I don't care, I can keep working. So get over that hump, get out there, start turning wrenches, and don't let the heat make you give up. Find a way to stay hydrated, stay cool. I had my tunes on playing. If you have a good playlist, that helps. So get out and wrench.